Dear puppet, you have been gone for 37 years. Tomorrow is Father's Day. But did you know that there is a possibility that you and me, Dad, could one day have an hour-to-hour, face-to-face chat to each other? Is that possible? Do you understand? This is my Prajogo story, and today I was told that I am a Prajogo and I know who my dad really is. What a surprise. What a day before Father's Day. Have a great day all.
Salamat malam, sisters. Hope you're doing great here in my house in Australia. Just saying hello. Hope you're bagus. I'm going okay. And I have you on my fridge, so you can see me on the fridge. See us on the fridge. Everyone is set for Dewe. Wish Dewe was in the picture. But I hope you're all doing great. Lucy's being naughty. Lucy! Lucy! Yeah, naughty, stop it. No! Sit. Salamat malam. Apa kabar? How is Indonesia? Australia? Not too bad, not too bad. It's the weekend, which is bagus to me. So,